Okay, so here we are in Discord looking at the meeting rooms, which they call voice channels, which is similar to Zoom, except these meeting rooms are always queued up live, and there's no weird login issues and this kind of stuff. And so this video is showing you how it all works. So you can see on the left, I'm currently in the general banter meeting, and there's Sean, and Sean. These are three different accounts that I'm logged into right now, and you can see that on the left here, I can adjust the what we're talking about. So you can that way external people can see what you're talking about here, and they can decide if they want to join. But this ability to see who's in what room, and you can see that even when it's collapsed, there's a bunch of people in the general banter room. That's very useful. Already in our testing, guys have been jumping into meetings with each other, and it's just flowing really well. So we are testing, in our testing it's been very positive. Now in the meeting itself, on the right here you can see there's a chat. That keeps the chat from the last time somebody used the meeting, which is useful, because then the meeting leader can go back and take tabs on, what was said, and remind them what was said, and then also resources that might have been shared, links and whatnot. Down below you have the meeting controls, just like you do in Zoom. You can share your screen, you can do all sorts of stuff. You can, if you're on the desktop app or the mobile app, you can actually create a blur in your meeting. So you go from voice, you can check your voice there, down to video, and you can add the blur by going there. Works pretty well. Some other video settings there as well. Okay, so now as far as moderation goes, how does that work? Well, it's pretty straightforward as well. So let's go back to this other window I have, and let's unmute ourselves. Test. So now it's echoey. And so let's say somebody's echoing, or they left their mic on, there's annoying noise in the background. You can go like this. Boom. So now this person is muted. I can also disable his video if I want to. And then that way nobody else sees it, I think. Yeah. Oh, other people still see it if it's done that way. It's just for me. So these are the settings for me, and these are the settings for other people. So now what if you have to kick somebody out? So you can, just quickly, you can mute somebody, and you can turn off their video, but nobody else can. They'll still see it. But you can kick them out. So you go disconnect, and then that guy's gone. So you can mute them in case they leave their mic on or if they're rambling. The other thing that you can do as well, besides leaving muting them, is you can turn their volume down. So let me see if that works here. Yeah, so if I can actually turn their user volume down, and that'll be for everybody, I believe. No, I was wrong there. You cannot set the volume for the group, which kind of makes sense. So the only way that you can access these controls is as a mod. You can see that here. I'm in test Sean right now, and I cannot mute. I can mute this guy and adjust his volume for myself. When I go to more options, there's no management controls there. I can also message that person individually if I want to, which is cool. And the meeting will continue in the side, down the left here. So I can go, hey Sean. Cool. But yeah, in general, these controls are accessible only for moderators in this channel. So if you're running an event, if you're leading a meeting as a facilitator, you're gonna need to be added as a moderator to this channel, and then that way you can control people in here. So for example, if I go to test Sean, again, because I'm in that moderator's seat role, you can see that what's this open in mod view actually? I'm curious about that. Oh yeah, ban, kick. Yeah, that's from the server and stuff. We don't really want to do that. So we'll leave that alone. But we'll go down here to There are two other things. Number one, there's no wait room, and number two, when people join in to these channels, they can be disruptive. So if I switch over channels here, if I have my let's see, I muted that server. I'm gonna turn that off. Server mute. Okay. So test. So if somebody came in like this, it'd be pretty disruptive, right? So the moderators are going to have to be on their server mutes like this. Boom. So that could be annoying. I mean, the downsides I think are outweighed by the upsides. It's like the no breakout room thing, that's fine. The limited meetings that we use breakout rooms in, you can keep using them on Zoom. This like people can come in whenever and with their mic on thing. We're just gonna have to. It's the same thing in Zoom, so we're gonna have to have that. Be vigilant about that regardless. And then I can join because of my timeout. There you go. Cool. And so I think that the benefits outweigh the downsides here. The benefits of having other people see you in a meeting and want to jump in, and the benefits of being able to see how long a meeting's gone on for, and just the ease of people being able to jump on, see who's around, and hop into meetings, and they get reminders and see real time when meetings are happening in these different rooms, like in the divorce room. It's like I can immediately see when I'm scrolling the list here, even if this is collapsed, I could see that Sean's in the divorce breakup room, and then hobbies and interests is Sean's in one of the social rooms, and then I can go in and join that. So yeah, thanks for your thoughts. Looking forward to what you think. Talk soon.